y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and today I want to share something very special with you that I received in the mail today. You guys are constantly encouraging us. You constantly are sending us emails and leaving comments and even mail. Our snail mail is in the description box below, and many of you have taken advantage of that and sent us little cards and things like that. Sunshine has gotten school supplies in the mail before. We just received some aprons. You guys can see us using those tomorrow in a video. And something else very special was sent to us today. In this package were several books that will be very beneficial for me personally, but also a stack of $2 bills. And there was a note attached to these $2 bills, and I want to read to you guys what it says. So it says, Miss Amanda, these are just a couple greens to use for something special. Remember, with God in your life, you are never alone. 1 + 1 always equals 2. We are all unique and created in the image of God. Peace to you. And a smiley face. I'll probably never spend these $2 bills. There's 10 of them. And I plan to put these in various places around our home, just different places that I frequent. I'll probably have like one in the car above the mirror. I'll probably put one in my wallet, one in our silverware drawer. Like the places that I commonly are reaching into, I will probably put these $2 bills to remind me of this. It reminds me that I'm never alone, and you guys constantly do that too. A lot of people have said, why do you share your life on YouTube? Why do you talk to these people that you don't really know? Well, in a lot of ways, I do know you. There are many of you that leave comments in every video, and I feel like you've become my family. You are my friends. And on days that I don't feel special, or I don't feel useful, or I don't feel like I have anyone in the world, on days that I feel lonely, I can turn on my computer screen and I can read your comments and be encouraged. There are so many of you that have been consistent in my life for years now that leave encouragement to me every single day, and you've become my family. And you remind me every day, just like these $2 bills will, that I'm never alone. And right now in my life, I need that. Right now in my life, I'm struggling, and I'm dealing with things every single day that remind me of my past. Things that make me sad, things that make me remember who I used to be. But the thing is, we all have a past. And they're no more beautiful or ugly than the others. The things we've experienced are real to us, and they're big to us. We can't compare our lives. I can't compare my situation or my experiences with yours. To you, your experiences may have been earth-shattering. To me, they may be no big deal, but to you they are. And so these $2 bills just made me do a lot of thinking and remembering. And as I'm walking through this season of remembrance and trying to figure out what we're doing, trying to get settled as quickly as possible, trying to create the life that I feel my daughter deserves, I often feel alone. Gosh. Oh, gravy. I often wonder if it's worth it. And these $2 bills reminded me of who I am. That I'm strong and I'm brave. And I hope in sharing this, you'll remember that you are too. The reason I share my life on YouTube is because so many of you have reached out and said that in me sharing my hard times, my difficult experiences, that it's helped to encourage you. And you guys have been such an encouragement to me, I feel like I need to give back. This has become a part of my life. I never dreamed when I first started YouTube that I would every day find this connection with these random people on YouTube. A lot of people just think it's crazy, but it's become a way of life to me. I encourage you and you encourage me. And ironically, that's how I pay my bills. It's become this beautiful thing, and so I just wanted to share this message with you guys because I know that many of you, because you've told me, are struggling and are in the same places that I'm in right now. There's one comment that sticks out in particular in my mind right now. There was a young woman that said that she has 3 kids and her husband just walked out on her. and she's starting single motherhood all alone. And she has no family to fall back on, and she doesn't know what she's doing. I don't remember your name, so forgive me, but I remember your comments, and I know that you're out there, and you feel alone too. And it's okay. 1 + 1 always equals 2. And I trust in that. I trust in the Lord, and I trust that He has my back. And so it's going to be okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and try to encourage you today as I was encouraged. And to thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being my family. I appreciate each of you. I mean that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Y'all have a great weekend.